My people, you see this thing called love is a beautiful thing, no? She Mr. Mrs. Ikoyi. The Ikoyis made it to Wakanda Forever movie premiere and they were looking so stunning, guys. These two have decided to give back to Shella shippers hot as they've been giving us the moment back to back. But before we dive right into this video, if you're joining us for the first time, you're highly welcome to OMAH'S TV. Please consider tapping on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell icon as well, because I'll be bringing more amazing content your way, okay? Oh, my lovely people, back to these two beauties here on my channel or here on my screen, guys. Mr. and Mrs. Ikoyi. You see these two, I love those two so much. Don't know about you. These two have given Shella shippers a reason to smile again and again. Love is indeed a beautiful thing, and I just hope and pray this lasts forever because they look so good together and these two understand themselves very well. Despite all this going on social media, Sheggz and Bella have decided to move on with each other, and this time around they've made it public. Like, they've decided to take this their love thing to our faces. Let's understand what true love is, guys. If you've not learned from these people's story, you are darling. Honestly, all I see here is true love. Don't know about you. Just let me know what you think about this in your comment section. Meanwhile, they were looking so stunning in their outfit last night, and Sheggz was styled by Tiana's Empire. Like, Tiana finished work, Sheggz was looking so different. Like, I didn't even recognize our boy again, no. Same as Bella always looking beautiful, just big Bella. If it's not luxury, she no want time, guys. She was looking beautiful as usual, and that's how Sheggz just held Bella's hands as they walked into the venue of the movie premiere. Sheggz just held her hands and was whispering to her, and they were both laughing. Guys, you understand this love thing? You choker. But right now, this is no longer a ship. We have upgraded it to a yacht. This yacht is yachting. Honestly, guys, I'm so excited for those two. I'm so excited that Bella decided to stand by Sheggz despite all that has been going through. This is true love, honestly, guys. Like, it's the happiness on their faces for me. Bella and Sheggz have decided to build their brands together, love each other, and make money together, and that's the goal, guys. That's the goal. They have decided to do, like, they're literally doing everything together nowadays, and it's really beautiful to see. So what do you guys think about all of this? Just let me know in the comment section. My Shella shippers friends, first timers, just drop your comments. Let me know how you think about this relationship. Big Bella, big Sheggz, Mr. and Mrs. Ikoyi. I love this too, no cap. Like, my cap on the legit, according to Big Bella, guys. I love this too so much. Don't know about you. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I just brought this update to you guys to see how beautiful our babies looked last night, okay? So if you watched up to this point, you are darling, please don't leave without tapping on the subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot. Just tap on the like button, drop your comments. My Shella shippers friends here, just drop your comments, like this video, and share if possible, okay? Big Bella, always looking dope, my baby. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.